Good morning. This is Steve from We'll Try to Survive 1, and we're going to be testing this morning a new product from Pro Tool Industries, which is called the Stryke. I have them in the palm of my hand here. It's a military spec, water resistant match striker that comes in a 20mm disc and a 1/4 inch wide by 1.25 inch long strip. They have adhesive back that sticks to most smooth surfaces, and we'll run this thing through a test and see exactly how good it is. Now, the claim that's made on the Stryke is that it is waterproof and it is very durable. It's a patented product and it was made for the military, so we can figure that it's probably pretty tough. But I think in all due fairness, to run this test we have to do a couple of different things. First one is, I've taken this block of ice and I have frozen for 5 days one Stryke strip and one of the competitors' strips, and we'll see how well that holds up. And we're going to take this container of water and we're going to take our two discs here and here, and we're going to deposit them into the liquid, and you see they float right to the bottom. And I'll start my stopwatch. We'll leave them in there for, I don't know, 20 or so minutes, and we'll see how they run. While we're waiting for our Stryke strips to be exposed to water and see how they hold up, I went through and I found a wide variety of matches that we can test these on. We have the civilian paper matches that you could pick up in any liquor store. We have the diamond Strike Anywhere matches. It's a good match. Waterproof safety matches. Wind and waterproof matches by Coghlan's, another good match. These are out of a restaurant that I picked up. These are from an MRE, and as you can see from the writing, these matches are designed especially for damp climates, but they will not light when wet or after long exposure several weeks to very damp air. They feel like they have a coat of wax on them, probably what protects it somewhat, but I don't think the strikers protect at all. These are out of a restaurant. I just picked them up. These are stormproof matches from REI. These are my personal favorites. I use them a lot. You can see that the box is made out of cardboard. The striker is on the side of the box. They also come issued with a couple of different strikers, just like these ones here. They're in plastic. They're extra ones. They work very well. Okay, well, now that we've seen the different match packs, it's interesting to note that matches, take 4. The matches have been around for about 185 years. They come in water resistant, hurricane, waterproof, as you can see from the selection here, windproof. They're the kind of go-to fire starter if you're in a third world environment. If you go down there, you're not going to be able to find your Bics, you're not going to be able to find your ferro rods, and because of cost and easy availability, matches are probably the go-to type thing. And if they get wet, I don't think you're going to find that they work. But we can test that and find out what's going to happen. Now, the other nice thing about the Stryke is because of the size and design, you can see that they fit easily onto a match lighter, just like this, right on the top. I stuck it there. Another match bunker that I've got, I stuck one right on the top of that. They're always handy, they're always easy to have, they're inexpensive. Oh, one of the other matches I want to try out here is a wind, water, and safety match that's made for the U.S., or actually for NATO. It's a NATO contract, it's a Mark II. They're in a waterproof plastic sealed container. And this is kind of the state-of-the-art match. It's what our military uses, and we're going to try those out.